First time here at King Tire, Vero Beach. And the first thing I did, I just left AutoZone. I bought some stock lug nuts. What you do in that situation is if you have a car that has really soft lug nuts, like whenever you do something, it's losing its composition. Like, yeah, they look shiny, but sometimes the wear and tear, that squareness become roundness. You get what I'm saying? It looks shiny, but so to be ahead of the curve, these are $9.99 each, retail price. I got them at AutoZone here in Vero Beach, Florida, and I call the family here about this tire. They said they have that size. What I'm gonna do is open up with where I left off early this morning and put these lug nuts in my pocket. You know what I'm saying? So the things in there are the things I moved out of the trunk. You know, I have things to carry, groceries, gas can, starter, jump starter pack, all that. So, because there's a weight to it, unless I'm in the wrong place. There's some action down there. Might be in the wrong place. Just a moment, y'all. I could very well. Okay, there's a bay there. They're doing their own thing. Because I noticed the jacks, whenever I pull up to a used tire place or what have you, that's the gentleman doing the work. That's happening. And, you know, you see these jacks, Pittsburgh. And y'all know I like Pittsburgh. I didn't get to go this year, but I like going to Pittsburgh. And I noticed that Pittsburgh has this play. You know, they say they're the Steelers. They have their play in some very key auto maintenance and mechanical things. So I heavy, so I put my phone down. It's heavy. Yeah, fam, I got my hands dirty again. That old tire from last night. And this is that stuff that I accidentally ran over. But don't worry. So that's what happens, y'all. That's the spare that's on. That's the rim that the used tire is going on. I got a price already, $60. They take that tire and dispose of. Hey, everybody, what's happening? What's happening? Hey, guys. First time here, by the way.